The Orion Motortech 8-piece brake drum tool set makes adjusting or swapping out your vehicle's worn-out brake pads a breeze. Packed neatly in this custom blow-molded carrying case is everything you need to get the job done. Rugged and dependable, and made from number 45 steel, you can count on these tools lasting you for years to come. The ergonomic handles are made from tough polypropylene plastic and are designed to provide a non-slip, comfortable grip. Let's see this tool in action. Once your vehicle is safely jacked up, the wheel has been removed, and the brake drum is off, use the supplied brake spring remover to loosen the spring nut. Now, use the appropriate sized brake spring retainer tool to remove the spring that holds the brake on. You'll want to use a pushing and twisting motion for this step. Now you can safely remove the springs. Then the brakes. To install new brakes, simply reverse the procedure. It's inevitable that once the new brakes are installed, they'll need adjusting. And with 3 sizes of brake adjusting spoons, you're certain to have what you need. Find the one that best fits your application and adjust the brakes in or out as necessary. A complete kit for a complete job. The 8-piece brake drum tool set from Orion Motortech, helping you get more life in your car.